of here, Hoërskool Stellenbosch. We've got Clutersville High School here, as well as New Orleans Secondary is going to run in this one, as well as the very dangerous Berger of here, and Sea Point also participating. And it's immediately a very fast getaway, getting out of the blocks really quickly there. Sea Point leading the race. It's going to be hard. It's going to be a tough one now. Big run there. You can see the man running in front. He's got very healthy structure. He's going to be looking to put on the pace early and trying to run out of these runners. As we see the man from Deersville now taking a commanding lead in this race. Deersville is going to be difficult to stop the man from New Orleans there in his tail, but the man from Deersville running nicely here. He's got some sunglasses on. He's running like he knows how to run this 800-meter race. He's being chased there by the Bergrivier man. Now it's Stellenbosch's man also coming through. It's Aiden Payne. Oh, and he's gone down. He's gone out. Unbelievable. He's out of the race. The man was leading. It looked like he was looking really comfortable, but it looks like he's done his hamstring. And now Bergrivier go to the front of the race. Suddenly it's even Stevens now. New Orleans in second place. Stellenbosch in third place. Deersville now in fourth, Bergrivier in fifth. It's a good race down the back straight. Bergrivier now in front. New Orleans chasing hard. Aiden Payne for Stellenbosch also in the race now. The man there from New Orleans, AJ Tyson, taking the lead. He's got AJ Lowe for company as they go around the bend. Now it's going to be a sprint for the finish. Surely the crowd will be on their feet as they head into the home straight. It's going to be a big finish here. The band in front for New Orleans. It's AJ Tyson. He's been followed by Bergrivier. AJ Lowe is not hanging on. It's New Orleans versus Bergrivier. But it's gonna be New Orleans. It's AJ Tyson. He takes first place. Bergrivier second. Third place Stellenbosch. And the run for the finish is hard. Bergrivier coming through in fifth. But it's that man. It's that man. None other. AJ Tyson from New Orleans Secondary School coming through in the first place. Here in the boys 800 meters. Fantastic run by the man in shot there, AJ Tyson.
Wat 'n race, Lucian, en jammer die voorloper in die race, in die wedloop wat ongelukkig af is met 'n hampese, as jy Afrikaanse woord kan gebruik. En so jammer vir hom, maar wel gedaan aan die Hoërskool New Orleans Secondary, AJ Tyson wat oor die wenstreep hardloop. Ons het nie 'n tyd daar wat ons ongelukkig tegniese probleem daar wat die tyd betref, Lucian, maar ons sal bietjie later dit kan deurgee.